Okay, okay. Let me open up stream. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, yeah, my audio is on. Good morning, everybody. Woo! I'm about to take a long right now, believe it or not. I don't like the 15-minute though. 15-minute looks bad on GJ. It doesn't look bad. Doesn't look amazing. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look amazing. What I love about the GJ longs right now is that, remember I always tell you guys to look at the every 50 pip range. So like, for example, here's 188, 500, 189, 900, 189, 500. So it's like we have these different magnet zones attracting price, right? We went from here to here, then we tried going back down, but no, we stayed up. Now, question is, are we going to go down or are we going to go up? I feel like we should go up. I feel like up is a great move, especially the way the candlesticks look right now. Besides that, 4-hour close right above, right beneath the 8 SMA. Obviously, there was an SMA fake out right after that. That's why the 4-hour went and started wick filling. It could truthfully go back down. It would just be unfortunate for us. We would just get caught on the wrong side of the market. But I think higher probabilities, no matter what, tell us that longs are a way better idea than shorts. No matter what. No matter what. Even if this melts out right now, instantly fucking 30-ass pips. Even though this is looking bearish setup. But we're going to be patient with this GJ trade. This looks like it's about to break this low. Right? It's gonna keep, this is like a mini ripple fib on the smaller time frames. So smaller time frames, lower levels of resistance, right? Resistance is accumulating towards this level of support right here. Same level of support, lower levels of resistance. There's a ripple fib to the downside. I'm gonna be patient with my entry. I do like longs though. This feels like, well, this is like when gold is rallying and everybody starts trying to call tops. And then eventually this thing just literally fucking just rips back up and it keeps on going, Other option we got is DXY. What am I saying? DXY. US30 longs. Dirty 30 US30 longs. Hourly retracement was pretty big. I'm not sure of how significant that retracement actually is. We'll wait also because there's an accumulation of support there. Across the board, I'm pretty bullish. Besides like gold, like I see the dollar pumping right now, which means GU possibly goes down, but I'm not going to go with that correlation. GJ looks bullish to me. I don't care what GU does, right? GJ is currently going bearish, which is good. That just means that being patient is paying off, and if we decide to go long, we're going to have a better entry. And if we don't decide to go long, we would have missed, like we're avoiding the loss. So, I mean, right now we're doing great. So far, great. One second, let me finish sending the link out. Am I in? Currently not. I'm currently looking for longs though, Arnold. I like the way that the longs are setting up here. I honestly would not mind a trade looking like this. I actually might just take this right now, chat. Hourly candlestick opening. That is not good for us. This is about a wick fill to the top. Oh my god, go down. Go down, please. Go down. Go down. Wick fill to the downside. I think I'm gonna enter the longs, chat. I'll go to GBP CAD right now. Let me log into the accounts that I need to log into real quick. Make sure I'm on the correct account. You see, this isn't the correct account. Fuck, that's not good. All right, if I take this long, where's a good stop loss? I think good stop loss is 600. 600 is a great stop loss. So I'm gonna go with a 3 lot, I think. 3.1, 3.2. Damn it, this is so fucking hard. It's leading! I couldn't even take a 1%. I executed. I executed. I am in the trade, chat. I am in the long. Let me open up Discord and finish sending the trade out. Good morning, Samuel. We are currently in GJ longs. I mean, we hopped in literally less than probably like 3 minutes ago. Literally probably less than 3 minutes ago we hopped in. It was right when this hourly candlestick opened. It kind of made a little bit bottom wick. We were expecting the wick fill. I mean, this part was obvious of the trade. Now, the hard part is actually reaching our take profit without coming back into drawdown. Once we come back into drawdown, possibilities of a break even. I know I usually don't do a lot of break evens, but a retracement would look bad on the smaller time frames. I mean, I would see this being able to break these lows potentially. So I really want to push right now. Aggressive push. An aggressive push would fix a lot. Make this a lot easier. There you go, push. No, don't retrace. I'm fine. I already made 300 euros today. Good shit, brother. Off what pair? Oh wait, did somebody want me to check GBP CAD? Oh shit, Lio did. Oh my god. Yo, are you in a sell on GBP CAD? GBP CAD's struggling. Looks like it's gonna keep selling off. Hopefully GJ doesn't get none of that action. Come on, GJ. Keep on pushing. Gold sell. Oh hell yeah, Anas, that gold sell you took from the bro. Anas called out on the Discord and he basically called out, sent a signal, told everybody, hey, gold looks short, what do you think? Xander confirmed with him saying gold looks short. I confirmed with him gold looks short. Right after we said that, price literally, I think he literally took it over here at the top. If not, he took it over here at this top. GJ's still pushing. GJ is still pushing. Did anybody get, I mean, I saw Anas got to execute this trade. Who else got to execute this trade with me? This is GJ longs. Anybody currently in this GJ longs with me? Bro, just break even. I wish it was that easy. I'd have to fucking log out of all the accounts and log back in. Or I think we're good right now. Like I said, sell the 8s on gold. Sell the 8s on... Dude, this guy's... Where did he learn that? I mean, he's fucking right. But does that mean if we just barely reach this 8 over here that we bounce and start going long off the 8? Nasdaq was our other option for going long. Nasdaq and US30, we were both like this is exactly what I'm feeling with gold. I mean, this is exactly what I'm feeling with GJ. This is like whenever price is just ticking, not with a lot of volatility, not with a lot of volume, literally just ticking upwards on the 8 SMA. Randomly we get a candlestick closure. There's going to be a random candlestick that turns into a motherload candlestick. Kind of like this is what gold looks like whenever it's rallying and everybody starts trying to call tops on it. And I don't know where it does these weird ass no volume candlesticks and it just keeps on riding the and nobody's going for long because everybody's like, oh, this needs to go short. There's a better chance for short. I don't know where somebody takes this trade and it ends up fucking playing out perfectly. No drawdown. That's what I'm feeling right now. That's what I was trying to go for with GJ, right? GJ, I know that there's a whole bunch of people calling tops on GJ. Not a lot of volume in these candlesticks. Nonetheless, it's riding up the 8 SMA. As long as we keep on getting bullish closures, I expect us to keep on pushing. Oh, this candlestick's looking a little bad. Come on, push. Our TP isn't even all the way over there. TP is 400 right here. We were pretty damn close. We were past halfway. Motherfucker. Hour right here. What do you like about it, Marco? Do you like this GG long, or you're a little scared of it? All right, we're back to break even, basically. Jesus, that's where we gotta fucking start getting focused. I'm not gonna close out this long just yet. I'm not gonna close out this long just yet. And GU finally started going a little bullish. But this looks like a fake ass bullish move. Those GU shorts are getting me scared. Look at the hourly candlestick on GU. This looks like a bearish. This is like a continuation wick fill. This goes a little bit bullish, and I don't know where it ends up fucking wick filling all of this to the downside. UCAD. That means USD CAD should be bearish. But it's recovering. Never mind. This looks pretty standard on us. I mean, this looks like a down channel, side channel, up channel. So either you go with the long, stop losses looking like this. I'm gonna leave this position up on the board, or you wait for price to come back down, make another shoulder, because this is like a shoulder here, shoulder, head. I'm expecting a couple little shoulders and then for us to fly, especially with the DXY looking how it's looking. DXY looks like it's, you know, we look at the DXY, it's doing the same thing, side channel, getting ready for a potential up channel. Damn it. Euro USD. Euro USD 4 hour. I know that we have news coming up pretty soon. What time is the news? At 1 o'clock, so it's not too soon. Up to the moment, I'm going to stick with the bias that we originally have. I really don't like jumping around on biases. Like, for example, if we were to close this trade, I would not look for a sell right off the bat. Kind of pointless for me to do that. Just ruins the psychology. I mean, as long as we had a valid setup up on the board, and I think this is a very valid setup, it looked amazing right when we hopped into the trade. I mean, we were halfway to take profit, more than halfway to take profit, and I don't think a little break even is what should trigger us out the trade. Not just yet, even though it looks like it's coming down. Damn it. GU? Why is GU going up, DJ going down? That's why I don't use the correlation with these bullshit ass pairs. Mother. All right, if I'm trading your account right now, the only people that are currently in this trade are Slickest. You're on it on the account that's at probably, I think you're a little bit in profit. Probably not anymore. Probably a break even. And as well as who's this guy's account? Completely forgot. Completely forgot. Can't even think with this dropping like this. And then second person's account who we are on is Elias. Elias, if you're here, we're trading your account also. Others, I didn't have time to hop in. Whether that's a good thing, that's a bad thing. I only took this trade with basically accounts in profit though. It's not a good candlestick. 30-minute close. I mean, it's a new 15-minute candlestick just opened. New 15-minute candlestick. A lot of momentum to the downside. Oh my god. Funding. I'm gonna open up the account and show you guys. Funding. I know GU's going up right now, and GJ is just going down. Ridiculous. More than 20 pips away from stop loss though right now. So 24 pips away from stop loss, 23 pips away from stop loss. Well, I guess that's one of the accounts. Currently in drawdown. Where's GJ though? There we go. Volume incoming. 10 days, 10 days, 10. This one is Elias's account. I don't think you know who Elias is. I don't know what his name is on YouTube. Elias's account. It's at break-even balance. Instant live account. Oh my fucking god. 1 second. I'm back. I'm back. All right, here we go. Watch gold. Let's see what gold does. Honestly, I feel like gold's going to continue going downward. Actually, I don't even know. Gold's in limbo. What I'm feeling is going to go bearish is GU, because GU looks bearish, right? GJ is currently going bearish when it looks bullish. So if I see like the dollar pumping like that, or I guess the pound being weak. Let me see DXY real quick. Yeah, I can see GU melting out. That might be the second fucking move. I don't mind going for, but then we go to the higher time frames, like the 4 hour. Really confusing. Oh, I forgot to say. Mother GBP CAD. All right, still 20 pips away from stop loss. Price is kind of accumulating at this level of support. I really need a rejection right now. How much am I down on? 500. I could cut it at a half percent stop loss. Kind of rather just hold it. Boys, this is the challenge I'm going to be bringing up to the board. One of the challenges I'm going to be bringing up to the board every single day. I have a couple accounts that are 100K accounts, instant live accounts, that they are all basically at break even or in profit, and I'm gonna start showing you guys the process of how I go about getting one of these withdrawals. Yeah, I mean, whether we lose this trade or not, we still gotta come back. I really don't want to lose this trade though. It's like me jumping around the charts is gonna fucking actually do something. I gotta just fucking wait and hit the fucking prey. All right, some sort of a rejection we're getting right now. It is not a big one, but there's, oh my god, that rejection looks so fucking weak. And how is GU flying? Come on, GJ, come on, pedal to the metal now. Swear to God, I'm about to start going short on GU. Nah, I'm just kidding. Don't do that, chat. It's not a good idea. All right, now we are currently at down $300, $400. Mother Teresa. I'm pretty sure all I need is like a couple more winning days before I could. I need like 2 or 3 more winning days before I could request a withdrawal. So the second I'm in profit and I win 2 or 3 more trades, Elias will be getting his first payout. Slick is here in this trade also, so you have the same possibility. Slickest and Elias have been taking the same trades. I'm not even sure if you guys are here in the chat. That's a decent rejection, but it means nothing if out of nowhere, I mean, there's a wick being left behind, you know, and that wick could easily, new 15-minute candlestick, obliterate it. New 15-minute candlestick's opening in 3 minutes. And I really don't like the way that this candlestick is leaving the fucking wick to the downside. So hopefully this thing pushes up aggressively right now. Like before the 3-minute closes, before 2 minutes, before the 30-minute closes in 2 minutes. Do my account on stream or someone else's evaluation phases, not live account. Yes, I don't really have any fucking phases. I don't have any evaluations right now lately. Everybody's been kind of hyped up with the instant live accounts, and I've kind of liked that route. It's kind of easy for me to just be able to try to manage that first payout. But I will do your live account on us. I mean, your challenge account. All right, we're at break even, which means nothing. The only thing that this break even means is that those motherfuckers who closed out and draw down, sayonara. Do I like them? I don't love, dude, I swear to God, if the only thing, it's the trading platform that throws me off on these accounts. I like them. I like them because it's already the style that I use to trade, right? I don't take a bunch of fucking trades. So it's easy for me to have this account. I mean, for example, this account's been alive for a week and 2 weeks, right? We started off like in 2-3% drawdown, made it all the way back up, went again at 1% in drawdown, then we were up 2%, and now we're at break even, right? While I was up 2%, do I wish that I could have withdrawn? Yes, but I couldn't because I needed to keep on winning more trades. At the end of the day, I think that with these live accounts, as long as you come to the stream, as long as you come to the charts, fuck the stream, right? As long as you come to the charts and you're ready to risk 1% and you're ready to take one valid trade, if your trading level is up there, right? Like you're actually, and what I mean is your trading level up there, what I mean by that is if you throw yourself a bunch of 1% trades, will you win more than lose? And if you feel like you could win more than lose, right? What does that take? It just takes more than your skill set, right? To identify the trade. It also takes the skill set of knowing, do I avoid this trade, wait for a better one? Do I, you know, once you have that there, it's not hard to do. It's not hard to do. It really just takes the patience and the risk management, right? I can't be fucking, you can only risk 1% per trade, right? So every trade I take is $900. You're incentivized to close out early. Why? Because a winning trading day is considered 0.25% of the account. So $250 on this account is considered a winning trading day, and you need 7 winning trading days to be able to withdraw. So it helps you as well, because you're like, all right, I could only risk 1%. Hey, I'm in profit. I could easily close out and call myself, another winning trading day. This looks horrible right now. I would be surprised if this pumps. I really need this to pump. I'm not going to close it because that'd be stupid. But this looks... Oh, pump, pump. Please pump. Please pump. This looks bad. Looks like a wick-filled cell. Oh my god, if you leave a wick to the top, we're so fucked. Gold going up. GJ potentially going up. GU potentially going up. Push! You bitch! Tony, we're going to end up going with the instant account, brother. This is good signal right now. Holy, please pump. I want to see a pump. New 30-minute. Ten days, 10 days, 10 doon. Do you guys like whenever there's like background non-copyright music, or do you guys like whenever there's like, house music on the background, or like rap? Like, what are the vibes like whenever it's like just, I don't even know what's on it. Lo-fi beats to study, relax, non-copyright, lo-fi chilling. EU? Is this the, what's the trade on us that I threw a setup on? I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna throw this setup and see if it plays out. I can't find it. I don't know what setup it was. Dude, NASDAQ and US30? Ripple fib? On the 5-minute chart, look at US30, Ripple fib. We got one level of resistance right here, and we got the ascending levels of support being formed. This thing looks like it's about to go long. UCAD? Sheesh! Why'd you say that? I'm gonna hold that there, see what happens. Ten days, 10 days, 10 doon doon doon. Get water, chat. 1 second. Buy 4s, sell 8s. Gold. Yeah, off that 4 it bounced amazingly. Hit my stop loss or hit my TP, GJ. But get going. Come on. Hit my stop loss or hit my TP. We entered this trade, went straight past halfway to take profit. To go halfway to stop loss. To now start approaching halfway to take profit again. Come on, bruh. Yeah, I noticed what you meant. I know what you meant, Mark. And it did bounce off of it perfectly. 194 is right here. So 4s, 8s, 4s. There's an 8 right here, so we go to the 8. Pretty genius. All right, we're in profit. 10 bucks. Look at that. 50 bucks. How the fuck is this in profit so little? I know the other account, Slickest, got in before when like this one got in late. The other one got in like down here. Damn, Anas. Damn, Anas. Look at Anas, chat. He's been calling out bangers all day. Euro USD. He called out the long before. Long. Boom. Take profit. He goes, all I need is 2.5 to pass my phase 1. Good shit. Do I like NAS buys? I love NAS buys right now. I think that NAS and US30 need to start recovering. I don't think that we're going to keep on melting out. I like the buys. This is where people were like, oh, impulse to the downside, correction, we need to go back down. I think this is going to go all the way back up. Come on, DJ! Give it to me! Woo! My bad. My bad. All right, we're back to where, I mean, we were more in profit than this before, so I could expect us going into drawdown possibly. I really don't want to go into drawdown though, Jesus, because then 30-minute will look horrible. So this 30-minute candlestick has 20 minutes left in it. We're about to get a 15-minute candlestick closure in 5 minutes. So this 15-minute candlestick that we're looking at right now, right, the current candlestick closes in 4 minutes actually, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. We need to survive. We need to survive these 4 minutes and 30 seconds in bullishly, right? That's what I mean by surviving. We need to fucking close bullish. So 5-minute candlestick that we're looking at right now. Hopefully it doesn't melt out on us. And I'm not going to go any lower time frames than that. That's as low as I'm going. The rest is just straight anxiety. Bro, time fucking flies. There's no way. We've been on for an hour already. Which is not a lot, I'm just saying. All right. Man. Who's currently in this trade with me, chat? Anybody currently still in this trade with me? Or anybody take it while it was in drawdown? Anybody in a GJ sell? What trades are you guys in? We got a quiet chat, which means that you guys aren't in trades. Because when people aren't in trades, they're usually yapping. Slickest. This isn't your account, but your account's in this trade. Your account's in this trade, and your account's in this trade before this entry. Your account's in this trade somewhere. It's so funny. I've taken the craziest trades on Slickest's account. Like, really good setups. Some really bad setups. And he's like, and I'm like, bro, you saw that beautiful trade? I'm like, then I told him last week. I'm like, we're back to break even. We're up. And he was like, nah, bro, haven't looked at anything. Better to just not look. What has been your biggest withdrawal? Biggest withdrawal was percent-wise or money-wise? Biggest withdrawal was on a 100K account, which was a 12K payout. And then, yeah, that's money-wise also. That was about, my ass was thinking, because I've gotten, I mean, with 8K, that's 4%. Yeah, biggest percent-wise is on 100K account, and it's been 12K. Do I feel like I could go for a lot more? I really do. I really do. I really just feel like I need to be able to, like, be on that level of financial freedom where you don't have that. Like, I mean, that's why there's levels to this whole thing, because you got to go breaking these levels of, like, oh, throwing these type of what prop firm? Biggest prop firm that was with what's that prop firm called? Square. I don't know what the prop firm is called. I can find out right now. It was actually the prop firm that paid me out the most consistent, never with a problem. Square prop? Forgot what it was called. Let me see. What was the prop firm name? I'm here looking at the payout, but I don't know what the prop firm name. Oh, it was. Damn, dude. Does anybody know the names of, like, something that has square in it? Square prop firm, square prop. Now it bothers me. You know when you have something at the tip of your tongue and you can't remember it? Square prop. I don't know the prop firm name. How much did you honestly, I already had, I mean, it was good to fucking get a big, that was probably the biggest check one of the biggest checks I've ever received. one of the biggest checks. I've received a bigger check, but also one of the bigger checks I've received instantly. How did it feel? I mean, it's nothing that I felt like I couldn't not do again. What's the prop firm name that starts with square? I'm gonna look it up. Square prop. Square prop. I have no idea what that prop firm name is. The only person I could figure out is that I need to ask Miguel, my boy Miguel. He'd know. I wonder if Miguel's up. Square prop. I'm surprised nobody in the chat's been like, oh, he's talking about this prop firm and has named it for me. I don't know the name. City Square Imperium? No, it's not that. I'm gonna make a quick call. I got you guys. Yo, I need a quick question from you. Quick question. What was the prop firm that we would trade? Well, that prop firm that was Square Prop, the one that we would trade with back then that we used on Dale's account once.
Smart Prop.
Smart Prop? That's what it's called? Thank you. That's what I was trying to remember.
The orange one?
Yeah.
Yeah, Smart Prop, and then had a two move.
Yeah, no, I was just trying to remember the name of that prop. I was saying Square Prop, and I was like, "Yo, what the fuck is the name of that prop firm?"
The fuck?
Smart
Where
Prop.
the fuck you got Square Prop from?
I don't know, but I'm busy right now. I'm on live stream, so I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, I'll call you in a little bit. Much love. Peace.
Peace.
Smart Prop. I don't know where the fuck I came up with Square Prop. Talk about Smart Prop. Are they still up? This one. Nope, that's not it. It's like this orange one, Smart Prop. It looks like that, Smart Prop. Oh look, this is, wow, Prop for Match has a fucking website? No way. No way Prop for Match has a fucking website. I just learned that. Smart Prop. No firms? They're gone? I'm about to be gone in this trade. Am I holding GJ buys? I will let you know right now. It's such a hard decision to make. Why? Because this hourly candlestick will close in 10 minutes. 10 minutes for this hourly candlestick to close, and truthfully, it is a bullish continuation. I mean, we should keep on going bullish, but I do understand how this looks like it's about to start going downward, especially off that 15-minute time frame, accumulating this support level where there could be a wick fill. So it's, what do you trust more, the higher time frame or the lower time frame? I mean, typically the higher time frame plays out more often. Nonetheless, this low time frame doesn't look like it's playing. This shit looks hella serious. Oh my god. And now that I'm thinking about it again, I also got 12% on Hugo's account. Not Hugo's account, Euro. That was a 25k. 10%, 9%, 8%. But on this kid from Spain. Who also I traded his account, who was an FTMO. We also got like a $9,000 payout, which was around like 11. It was almost 12K basically, but they pay out 80%, so you lose 20% right there. So I've got into that 12% number twice. This looks bad. I'm about to close. It literally might close. I usually don't ever close break even, but what am I looking at? Oh, that's the daily 4 hour. Honestly, I don't think I'm fucking leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. So Div, I understand perfectly that yes, there is a possibility for a retracement. What you don't understand, well, maybe you feel like you do understand, but trust me, I mean, I don't want to be that trust me bro type of guy, especially when the trade is going against me. I understand that a lot of people are looking for retracements, and that's exactly why this price could easily keep on pushing bullish. Everybody like you is looking for, oh, bullish, way too bullish, way too bullish, the retracement is due, the retracement is due. That's when all the sellers start hopping into the market, and that's what gains us financial volatility to us, for us to keep on pushing bullish. Regardless of there being a sell position on the screen, a possible sell position on the screen, higher probabilities say that buys have a higher chance than hitting than sells. So just off that should tell you, even if you do believe that price is going to go short, that means don't take a trade. Unless you're in the long, you don't take the trade. Why? Because probabilities are saying that there's a higher probability chance this goes bullish, right? So therefore, you hopping into a sell, I believe past this support level, yeah, we could probably hit this, take profit, but from there it gets harder and harder and harder to actually determine when is the price actually going to fall, and therefore it's the same thing. I mean, I'm specifically talking to somebody who texts me. I know that the majority of the people in the chat know this, but it's the same thing when gold is rallying. I mean, I've taught you guys many times, when gold is rallying on this 4 hour bullish candlestick, everybody was probably like, oh, it needs to retrace. I say, buy that shit, buy it, keep on buying it. Don't ride the trend. You gotta take risks, right? If I'm gonna take a risk, I'm gonna take a risk where it's their higher probability it's gonna hit, right? So if I go to the GJ right now, 4 hours, more than 4 hours, we go 4 hours bullish, 8 hours bullish, 12 hours bullish, 16 hours bullish. All right, we had a bearish retracement. Let's imagine we didn't, or let's imagine we did. 4 hours bullish, 8 hours bullish, 12 hours bullish, 16 hours bullish. Without this retracement, we've been bullish on GJ. Like, so when we count the bullish candlesticks, we go, all right, every 4 bullish candlesticks, we got 1 bearish. Every 4 bullish, I mean, damn, 4 hours is going to close in 2 hours. No, we're good. I mean, it's like, it's just simple probabilities at that point. Simple probabilities at that point. And like I said, I'm saying this while price is going downwards. It doesn't mean that I'm not telling you guys that this is the banger trade, fucking we're about to win. I'm just telling you guys that we have the highest possibility. Same reason I took the buy here is the same reason I stayed in the buy here. It's the same reason I stayed in the buy here. All times I had a great chance of hitting take profit. I mean, I was more than 20 plus pips in profit. So me not taking these GJ type sells is what keeps me as a profitable trader, right? If I lose this trade, wrong on the bias, I lose 1%, I walk away, it is what it is, right? But I know I was in the higher probability trade. Me taking sell setups and using them as a part of my arsenal of trades, it's going to catch up to me. I might win this one, But trust me, it's the lower probability play, and therefore, I mean, more times out of not, you're just gonna end up losing, and you're gonna end up chasing things, and you're gonna end up fucking. I'll check right now. I don't like this. This is the support level that I was like, all right, this is bad if we reach this support level. Why is it bad if we reach the support level? Due to the fact that this is an accumulation of support. Support level that's been rejected that we came back to aggressively. And now this means that most likely we will wick fill all the way down to here. Hopefully it doesn't happen though. Fucking calling me so early. I hate GJ so much. How is GU still going bullish in GJ? Oh my god, the fucking yen is just holding us. The yen wants to have some fun today. 10 days, 10 days, 10 days. Bro, we got 3 minutes left. I don't know if we're gonna survive, but we'll see. Got 3 minutes left for this fucking candlestick to close. Goddamn hourly. I'm expecting it to close as a continuation candlestick. So basically how it looks right now, I need it to not go any lower. We'll see how that plays out. Fucking A, man. "10 days of foreigning to find you here." All right, new hourly candlestick incoming. Couple more seconds. This is the final determiner right here. This candlestick. bad opening. Not the worst, not the best. Cheese kebab. Ay, ay. Oh my god. Oh my god. The only good news that I got right now is that I'm still in this goddamn trade.
And I'm betting 5 for 70 on those two teams.
It's stressful. Alright. I'm
5 for 60 now, bro. What just happened?
gonna call you back when I'm done here. Alright. For those who love the sell, for those who love it, I got something for you. Hourly candlestick. So, do I expect this candlestick to keep on going bearish? That's a possibility. I do not think... Two different things. I think there's going to be a fake out here. So, it's either this hourly candlestick closes beneath the 8 SMA. That means it closes down here, right? It engulfs this 8 SMA that we're looking at. This little blue line, this little, you know, that 8 SMA. We either engulf it and close down here. Next candlestick opens up, which would be the next hourly, and then it completely recovers the 8 SMA. Or, which that would be a fake out. Why? Because if we engulf and close beneath the 8, that's what triggers people into the sell. Or, the harder possibility is that this 8 SMA hourly closes where we are right now at the 8 SMA. And then that would mean next hourly candlestick opens. And because it respected the 8 SMA, now the fake out would happen. Next candlestick opens and we start engulfing to the downside. So I'd like to sell if the candlestick closes anywhere, you know, above where it is right now. If not, I mean, I'm obviously going to keep on holding this trade. Fucking pray for the return. Currently close to freaking stop loss, but not there yet. Nothing you can really do about that. Take the hit and move. Let's see what happens here, but 'Cause I'm a singer. All right, what's gold doing? Gold is in limbo. Gold is acting like it's gonna go bullish, but it looks bearish. GU, very surprised that I'm getting retracements on GJ, and GU is still as bullish as a sky, bullish as a kite. Like, Jesus, things flying. EU does not look good for longs. EU, I'd tell you, sheesh, this thing looks like it's about to go short. Does that mean I would probably take the sell? Absolutely not. I'd probably let it go short and then try catching the bounce. Trying to trade with the trend. Very surprised to see that NASDAQ is not going bullish as well. Damn. Am I going to be wrong about this? Fucking US30 longs? Oh my god, I'm so close to getting stopped out. Cause I'm a singer. I'm so fine. All this time you were pretending. So much for my happy ending. I don't even want to say that I have. Yeah, I'm not even going to say. Like, I feel like there's a good chance that this trade could turn all the way around. At the end of the day, I don't even want to start motivating people to scale in or do anything crazy. Just let the trade play out if you're in it. Let me check something. Today we don't have any Asian session news. GBP CAD still looks good to hop in. Does it really? Damn, it looks amazing to hop in. Damn, GBP is extremely bullish. It really just is the fucking the dollar that's holding this and the yen that's holding us, because the Canadian dollar weak as hell. Cause I'm a singer. Seven minutes left for this hourly candlestick. All right, chat. I'm gonna let this trade play out. I'm just gonna end stream here. I'm gonna be back for Asian session and GJ. What am I saying? GJ London session. Both. 100%. I know that you guys have heard that a lot. That's why I don't even say it when it's gonna happen anymore. But I will tell you for a fact that we have to be here, yes or yes, for both sessions. So I'm gonna make it work for both sessions today. Shit. Might even hop back on today on New York if this ends up flying. I look doomed. All right. Much love to you.